Hi friends, welcome back to Aditya RPA in Bangalore. We are continuing to work with real-time issues and interview questions in Prism RPA. In this video, we are going to see one real-time issue regarding mainframes. The question is, so when using write stage to write data to an element or a read stage to read data from an element which has been spied from a mainframe emulator, and the data doesn't return or read from the field, but no error is reported. The reason is, usually this issue is caused by the definition of the element's boundaries. When a field is spied using the spy grid overlaid on the mainframe's emulator screen, and the field width, height and placement must be all aligned with the underlying field size and position. And the solution is, by default, the Blue Prism mainframe spy grid overlay a proportionated to a size of 80 columns and 24 rows, by means 80 by 24. Sometimes mainframe screens can be 80 by 32 or 80 by 40. If the screen dimensions are different to spy grid size, then the spy grid will need to resize. This can be achieved by clicking on the grid and dragging it to expand or collapse its size until it matches the position of the data in the screen underneath. So if you observe here, so we can change the screen size. Once the grid size is correct, then the field must be outlined such as the data being sent or retrieved will fit into the size of the element. So for example, if you have a username field in your emulator, then you must draw the size of the element such that the name of the user will fit within the field. So you can observe here, there's a login name. And if data is sent to a field which is misaligned, then it will not recognize properly by the emulator. Means we have to make sure, if you observe here, the screen should be it should be 80 by 32 or 80 by 40.